Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to automatically send WhatsApp message to Google Contacts when new media posted on Instagram. So the idea here is that you have an Instagram account. Now you want that whenever a new media is posted on your Instagram account, all the people who are added into your Google Contacts should receive a WhatsApp message stating that you have posted a new media into your Instagram account. But here the problem is that there is no direct connection between Instagram, Google Contacts and WhatsApp. So how the messages will be sent on the WhatsApp number of all your Google Contacts regarding the new media post. So here we are going to use Pabbly Connect as a solution. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Instagram with Google Contacts and with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Instagram account. These are the Google Contacts which I have created. And this is the WhatsApp number of any of my Google Contact. So now I want that whenever I create a new post on my Instagram account, automatically all the people in my Google Contacts should receive a WhatsApp message stating that a new media is posted onto my Instagram account. So I'll just go to my Instagram account. Here I'll just create a new post. I'll select any of the picture of my from my computer. Okay, let us select this picture. I'll click on next. Next. I'll just give a caption over here. The difference between style and fashion is quality. Okay, I'll just click on share. The post is sharing over here and the post has been shared. Okay, I'll just close this window. I'll refresh my Instagram account and here I can see the post has been shared along with the caption. So now let us check the WhatsApp number of the Google Contact. And here we can see a new message. Hello Avinash Gupta. A new post is just published on our Instagram account, that is Jessie Matthew. Don't wait to show your love. Also provide your valuable feedback in the comments. Link is given. Note, please save this number to make link clickable. Regards, Team Pabbly. Now let us check what is there inside this link. And here we can see the post that we have created on our Instagram account along with the caption is shared as a link on the WhatsApp number of the Google Contact. And Avinash Gupta is the Google Contact here you can see. So here you might be wondering that I just created a post on my Instagram account and automatically a Google Contact has received a message on his WhatsApp number along with the post link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Instagram account. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Instagram account. Step 2. Collect all the Google Contacts in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of all the Google Contacts. Step 3. Notify Google Contacts about new Instagram post on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, all the people in your Google Contacts are going to receive a WhatsApp message stating that you have created a new post on your Instagram account. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Instagram, Google Contacts and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a workflow name. So I have given the workflow name as send WhatsApp message to Google Contacts when new media posted on Instagram. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens Action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new media is posted into your Instagram account, all your Google contacts should receive a WhatsApp message. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Instagram for Business. In the trigger event, we have to select new media posted in my account. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Instagram for Business. Authorization successful, and now the Instagram for Business account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Instagram account. So before creating a connection, please log into your Instagram account. Now here you have to choose the account name. So Instagram account name is Jessie Matthew. If you have multiple accounts, so from the drop down you can select the account name. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first I will be creating a new post on my Instagram account just because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. I'll just create a new post over here by clicking on this plus sign. Okay, I'll select some of the pictures from my computer. Okay, from the downloads, I have many pictures over here. I'll select this dress design. Okay, next. I'll just add a caption over here, and the caption is clothes means nothing until someone lives in them, and I'll click on share. Post shared. Your post has been shared. Okay, I'll just close this window and I'll just refresh this particular Instagram account, and here I can find the post is created over here. Now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and now I'll be clicking on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details related to the post are captured over here. This is the media URL, this is the username, this is the timestamp, okay, the permalink, the link of this particular post that we have created, the caption which we have given, all the details are captured over here. Now we want to send this particular post details to the Google Contacts. So come to this action window and here in the application, let us select Google Contacts. In the action event, let us select Get All Contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Contacts. Now it is asking to choose an account. In which account you have your Google Contacts. So I'm just selecting the account and Pabbly Connect wants the access. I'll just click on continue and I'll give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful and all the Google Contacts are connected to Pabbly Connect now. Now before clicking on save and send test request, I'll just make this simple response to advanced response so that we get all the details of all the Google Contacts over here. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. Now the response is received and here it has captured that I have 11 people in my Google Contacts. So I'll just take you to my Google Contacts where I have created some contacts. Adam Smith, Devin Parker, Heather Khan. So I have these contacts over here. So all these contact details are captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Now I want to segregate all these details individually. So I'll come to this plus sign and I'll click on action step. Here I'll find the action window and here I'm just going to select the application name as Iterator. In the choose array, I'll be keeping it as connections and I'll click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and I have got all the details of the contacts separately. The names I have got separately, along with that the email addresses also are sent separately over here. But we cannot see the mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the Google Contacts. So for that, I'll just come to this plus sign once again and I'll click on add action step. In the application name, we are going to select Google Contacts once again. In the action event, we have to select get a contact. Click on connect. Now here we have already created a connection in our previous step. So I'm going to choose this option, select existing connection. And I'll click on save. Now here I'll just click on this mapping button. I'll make it enable. Here I'll erase this data. I'll come to iterator and I'll map this resource name. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the Google contact is captured over here. We can see the name as Adam Smith, okay, and here we can find the email address of Adam Smith. Here we can find the phone number, that is the WhatsApp number of this particular contact. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message to this particular Google contact. For that we have to come to this plus sign once again and click on add action step. Here in the application name we have to select 360 dialog. In the action event we have to select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now the domain is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we are going to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, so I'll choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on add template. Here you can give your template name. From here you can select the category. Various categories are available, so you can select it as per your requirement. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. Here you can give your template body text, that is a message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then this particular template will be going for the approval, and once this template is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Insta1. Let us read this template first. Hello, a new post is just published on our Instagram account. Don't wait to share your love. Also provide your valuable feedback in the comments. Link. Note, please save this number to make link clickable. Regards, Team Pabbly. Here you can see 1, 2 and 3. I have given some numbers in the curly braces. So these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So here in the first parameter, we want the name of the customer or the name of our Google contact. So the Google contact name is going to change every time. Here we want the Instagram account name to be displayed. And here we want the post link should be sent along with this particular message. So we are going to use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. Here we have given an important instruction that note, please save this number to make link clickable. So here to make this particular link clickable, the Google contacts need to save your contact number in his contact list. Okay. If they are saving your contact number in their contact list, then only this particular link will be clickable and they will be able to access your link. So I'll just use this template Insta1 in Pabbly Connect. I'll find the same template over here. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the Google contact who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the details here. So we are going to map these details now. So I'll just come to this recipient mobile number, and from Google contacts, I'll just map the mobile number, that is canonical form. So here we can see that instruction is also mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So here we can see that in the canonical form, the country code is already added to this number. So if the country code is missing, please paste the country code in front of the mobile number. And remember, here you have to map the WhatsApp number of the particular contact. If the WhatsApp number is not added in this particular mapping column, then the messages will not get delivered on the mobile number of the contact. So here we have to give body field 1, example full name. So we have to map the full name of the Google contact that we have got from Google contacts, and the full name was this display name Adam Smith. Body field 2, example username. Here in the template we want the Instagram account name to be mentioned. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to map the Instagram account name from Instagram for Business, and the account name is this username, that is Jesse Matthew. Now body field 3, example, here we can see a link. Here in the template also link is required, so link of our new post should be added over here. So let's go to Pabbly Connect, and here we have to map the link from Instagram for Business, and the link will be this permalink. So we have to map this permalink, and now we have to click on save and send test request. Response is received. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of the Google contact, and here I can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, a new post is just published on our Instagram account Jesse Matthew. Don't wait to share your love. Also provide your valuable feedback in the comments. Link is mentioned. Note, please save this number to make link clickable. Regards, Team Pabbly. So here we can see that a correct message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this particular Google contact. Now important things to note here are the body fields and their values. So the first body field value was the full name of the Google contact, that is Adam Smith. Second we have mapped was the Instagram account name, which is correctly placed over here. And third we have given was the link. So let us check what is there inside this link. And I can find the post that we have created along with the caption is sent on the WhatsApp number of the Google contact as a link. Okay. So now this particular message is correct along with the correct values of the body fields. Now here we want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and the Adam Smith, okay, I'll just show you the Google contact. This Adam Smith has received the WhatsApp message. So in this way all the Google contacts have received the WhatsApp messages. Okay, so now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Now let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll minimize this one also, iterator also, along with that Google contacts, and this Instagram business also. Okay. So here in this use case we want that whenever a new media is posted on our Instagram account, all the Google contacts should receive a WhatsApp message on their WhatsApp number. So here first we have created an integration between Instagram and Pabbly Connect. Then we have captured all the details of the Google contacts. Then we have segregated the data. Then we have got the details of each and every contact individually. And then we have composed a message using 360 Dialog software application, and we have sent the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we have created a successful integration between Instagram, Google contacts and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.